Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Lloyds Ultra Credit Card. If you're looking for a credit card that gives you cash back on everything you spend, no fees abroad and no monthly cost, then this might just be one of the most interesting credit cards in the UK right now. I'll walk you through everything you need to know, including its features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth getting in 2026. So let's get started. The Lloyds Ultra Credit Card is a cashback focused credit card designed for everyday spending, but with a twist. It's also built to work really well for international use. Unlike many premium cards that overwhelm you with complicated reward system or charge monthly fees, Lloyds went in a different direction here. They've created something that's simple, transparent, and flexible. At its core, the card is about three main things: earning cashback on all purchases, avoiding unnecessary fees, and keeping things easy to manage. And honestly, that's what makes it stand out. Now let us talk about the main features of the card. Cashback on all spending. This is the headline feature. You get 1% cashback on all purchases for the first 12 months, and after that it drops to 0.25% ongoing. And importantly, there is no cap on how much you can earn. That means that whether you spend a little or you spend a lot, you keep earning. The only downside is that cashback is paid once a year, so rather than instantly or monthly with some other cards. There is no foreign transaction fee. This is a big one. You can use this card abroad without paying extra fees on foreign purchases, and that makes it a strong alternative to travel cards, especially if you don't want something complicated. No cash withdrawal fees as well. You can withdraw cash without a fee from Lloyds, but keep in mind though that interest starts immediately on cash withdrawals. So it's convenient but not ideal unless necessary. There is a low interest rate. Yes, this card has a representative APR of around 12.9% variable, and that's relatively low compared to many credit cards of course, because this makes it a good option for people who might carry a balance occasionally. Then there's the app and the security features. Yes, with the app you get full control. The app also gives you the ability to freeze your card instantly and also to view, pay, and transactions easily. Also, you can add multiple cardholders. So from a usability standpoint, it's modern and convenient. And there's the Section 75 protection. Like most UK credit cards, purchases may be protected under Section 75, which gives you added security for big purchases. So let us talk about one important thing, that is the pricing. Currently, for the card, there is no monthly account fee and there is no annual fee. There's also no foreign exchange fees, no cash withdrawal fees, although interest still apply, and the APR is around 12.9% variable, which is a low rate of interest on purchases. So overall, this is a completely no-fee credit card in terms of ownership. So what are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. Strong 1% cashback in the first year, unlimited cashback, no caps, there are no monthly or annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and low APR compared to competitors. How about the cons? The cashback drops to 0.25% after year one, and cashback is usually paid once per year, not instantly. And there are no premium perks like airport lounge access or travel insurance. So having considered all this, is the Lloyds Ultra Credit Card actually worth it? Honestly, for what it's trying to be, it does a really good job. It's not a flashy card. It's not trying to compete with premium travel cards or point-based systems. Instead, it focuses on delivering consistent everyday value, and it does that extremely well. So if your goal is to save money, earn passive cashback, and avoid unnecessary fees, this is easily one of the best options to consider. And that's it on the review of the Lloyds Ultra Credit Card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore American Express Gold Credit Card, Barclays Card Rewards Credit Card, and HSBC Purchase Plus Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.